Hey YouTube, Christopher back here with another video, and today I got two unboxings, two boxes of packages that I got. I'm pretty hyped for these actually. So I'm gonna start with this one here. Okay, so let's see what the easiest way to open this box is. Start here from the top. Ooh. If I just show you this, you probably already know what it is. Alright, so let's go ahead. Slide it out. Nothing else in the box. Set that to the side. So here. Yeah. Let's see which one this one is. Alright. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's focusing on that. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's open the lid. Turn it over to the side. These are what it is. Let's go ahead and throw the laces back in the shoe. Like that. Alright. So this is the black iron gray white pattern. Really nice. You know the Jordan shoes always smell like a new car. Smell good. So yeah. Nice and clean. This one looks like same. Smells like a new car. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that back. Okay, we'll go ahead and put this one. Alright, so that's the first box. Here's the second box. This one has a pull tab. Same with this. Okay. Go ahead and slide it out. Just like the first one. Okay, and then this one. Alright. Open the lid. Turn it over to the side. Look at this. Nice. Alright. And here's the other side. New car smell. Alright, so those are the two boxes that I have to unbox. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. More awesome videos.